What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to this new episode of Restorations with Vic. What I have on my table today are these Air Jordan 1 Boston Celtics from 2009. These shoes are completely destroyed. We're gonna go in using Reshoevn8r products to bring the shoe back to life. We're also gonna remove the yellowing off the midsoles, do a little re-glue, repaint the uppers, and do some touch-up work. We got a lot of work ahead of us, so let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do before we do anything else is grab our medium bristle brush, take the shoes outside and scrub off all this excess dirt. If we don't do that now, during the cleaning process, it's gonna get really messy. Let's go do that now. All good to go with that. We got all that fake dirt off the shoe. Let's go ahead and get started with this cleaning. The first thing we gotta do is remove the laces so we can pop in our shoe tree. Laces and insoles are out, we got the shoe trees in, prep is good to go. Let's get started with this cleaning. Let's go ahead and pour 2 squirts of our solution inside our bowl. Next, we're gonna grab our soft bristle brush so we can start hitting the uppers on the shoe and breaking down all the dirt. Uppers are looking great, guys. They look a lot better. We're gonna let the suds sit on the uppers for a little while so I can continue breaking down the dirt. While we're still using the soft bristle brush, we're gonna go ahead and take out our shoe tree so we can scrub down the insides. Okay, all done with the soft bristle brush. There's a lot of stains on the uppers, so let's kick it up a notch. Use our medium bristle brush so we can get rid of all those stains on the uppers. Alright guys, uppers are looking really good. I did all the scrubbing I could possibly do. The washing machine will take care of anything I might have missed. Now to finish off the pre-treatment on this shoe, we're gonna move on to our stiff bristle brush to clean off these soles. All done with the pre-treatment. Let's go ahead and put this shoe to the side before we put them in the washing machine. Let's grab our insole and our laces and give it a quick cleaning. Good to go with that. Let's grab our laundry bag. Let's grab our shoe. Our laces and insole. Close it up. Put them in the washing machine. As always, let's use cold water with the regular cycle and use our detergent. We are back, YouTube. We got the shoe fully dried and clean, got rid of all the dirt and grime that was all over the shoe and inside of the shoe, and it's fully disinfected. This shoe is ready to move on with this restoration. Thanks to our 3-brush advanced laundry system and our detergent, we got it looking good. Next step we're gonna do is remove the yellowing off these midsoles using Salon Care 40, Saran Wrap, and the sun. Alright guys, we are back. Before we start talking about the shoe, there's construction going on in the current studio right now. They're working on the AC, so right now we're working with what we got. We're back in the original studio I was filming in the beginning of the year. It's not much of a studio, it's actually an office. We're gonna just have to work with what we got. I promise you guys, in a few more weeks, the studio is gonna be ready to go, so just hang tight. For these shoes, the yellowing is completely off the midsoles, so we're gonna keep it moving with this restoration. The next step we gotta do is remove the creasing off these toe boxes using the iron method and a wet towel. Before you get started with this process, you wanna make sure the insides of the toe box is fully stuffed. Toe boxes are good to go. We got rid of the big crease that was right across the toe box. Now let's keep it moving. What we gotta do next is fix this big separation on the toe cap and on the side. We're gonna use acetone and cotton balls to remove all the old glue, let it dry, then we're gonna tape off the uppers, apply Barge cement glue on each side on the rubber and the uppers, let it cure for about 7 minutes, then we'll clamp it together. All done with the re-glue. Next thing we're gonna do is more prep work. We're gonna be using 400 grit sandpaper and 2000 grit sandpaper to smooth down some of the rough areas on the leather. Once that's done, we'll go over it with acetone and cotton balls before we start painting the shoe. All done with the white leather, now let's go ahead and touch up the green leather. White and green is laid down. Let's move on to our last color, which is the black. All done painting, guys. The last step we gotta do before we lace this shoe up is go outside and spray it with some krylon matte finish. Let's go. Alright YouTube, that's gonna bring us to an end on this full restoration on these Celtic DMP ones. This shoe was super cooked. We went in using Reshoevn8r products. We used our 3-brush advanced liquid laundry system and our detergent to get the shoe looking right. We put them in the washing machine and fully disinfected the shoe. Once the cleaning was all done, we removed the yellowing off the midsoles, decreased the uppers, also repainted the uppers, and took care of the separation all over the midsole. You can find all these products you see right here at Reshoevn8r.com. Use my promo code in the description below. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for sticking with us. I'll see you guys next Monday.